A step-by-step guide to registering on BingX and using the trigger reverse feature. Cryptocurrency trading platforms have revolutionized the way individuals invest in digital assets. BingX, a prominent platform in this domain, offers a range of advanced features to enhance the trading experience. One such feature is trigger reverse, which allows users to automate position reversal based on predefined triggering conditions. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the process of registering on BingX and utilizing the trigger reverse feature effectively. Important 1. Our team has direct contact with the management of BingX Exchange, and in case of any disputable issues, those who are registered and see in the section Account and Security opposite my refer code 911 can contact me, and those who are registered but have in the column my refer another referral code will solve the issues themselves in case of their occurrence, and this can take months. 2. If you have VIP level on another exchange, we will give +2 levels of VIP on BingX. 3. For users trading on my affiliate code 911, do not forget about the discount on the commission and % cashback. PS. In any case, everything is negotiated in each case individually, and for speed and Telegram, it is listed under this video. And so let's get started understanding trigger reverse. Trigger reverse is a powerful tool that enables users to automatically reverse their positions once specific triggering conditions are met. By setting a trigger price, users can ensure that their positions are closed at market price and simultaneously open new positions in the opposite direction. This feature facilitates quick profit-taking, stop-loss execution, and enables users to capture dynamic market opportunities efficiently. It is essential to note that while trigger reverse enhances trading strategies, it does not guarantee 100% success due to factors such as market changes and risk control. Registering on BingX. To begin using the trigger reverse feature on BingX, you need to create an account. Follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Visit the BingX website by clicking on the following link //swap BingX.com BTCS2. On the homepage, locate and click on the Sign Up button. 3. Fill in the required details, including your email address, password, and any other necessary information. 4. Proceed to verify your account through the provided email or phone verification process. 5. Once your account is verified, set up two-factor authentication to FA for enhanced security. This can be done through the account settings utilizing the trigger reverse feature. Now that you have successfully registered on BingX, it's time to explore the trigger reverse feature. Follow these instructions to enable and configure trigger reverse on your positions. 1. Log into your BingX account using your registered credentials. 2. Navigate to the Perpetual Futures section on the BingX platform. 3. Choose the position you wish to apply the trigger reverse feature to. 4. Click on the reverse option, followed by trigger reverse. 5. Set your desired trigger price, considering the available options such as index price, mark price, or last price. 6. Confirm your settings, and the trigger reverse feature will be activated for the selected position. Modifying and canceling trigger reverse orders. In case you need to modify or cancel an existing trigger reverse order, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Perpetual Futures position page on the BingX platform. 2. Locate the trigger reverse order you wish to modify or cancel. 3. To modify the trigger price, click on the order and make the necessary adjustments. 4. To cancel the trigger reverse order, select the order and choose the cancel option. The trigger reverse feature on BingX provides traders with a powerful tool to automate position reversal based on specific market conditions. By following the step-by-step registration process and implementing the trigger reverse feature accurately, users can enhance their trading strategies and optimize profit-taking and stop-loss execution. It is crucial to keep in mind the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading and to consult professionals if needed. BingX's comprehensive support resources and responsive customer service ensure that users have access to the assistance they require throughout their trading journey, additional resources, and support. For additional guidance and support, BingX offers various channels to assist users. BingX app. Download the BingX app from the website BingX Web. Access the BingX website directly at BingX. CEO and Telegram. Join the BingX official Telegram channel for real-time updates and support. Twitter. Follow BingX on Twitter for the latest news and announcements. YouTube. Subscribe to the BingX YouTube channel for informative videos and tutorials. Remember, cryptocurrency trading involves high market risk and price volatility. It is crucial to understand the associated risks and make informed decisions. BingX is dedicated to compliance and adheres to local regulations. Please abide by local laws and regulations in your country or region. For more detailed information, refer to BingX Terms of Use and Risk Warning. BingX offers a comprehensive trading experience with advanced features like trigger reverse to optimize your strategies. Don't miss out on the exciting opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. Sign up on BingX today with the referral code 911 and start capturing every trading opportunity. Remember to always trade responsibly and stay informed. Happy trading with BingX.